What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Spirit of Day number 99, getting really close to that century. What am I going to be tasting tomorrow? I have no idea. I haven't picked it up yet. I want to get something brand spanking new that I haven't tried on the show before, ever. So it's going to be difficult because I've tried a lot of things. So I'll be out on a prowl this afternoon looking for something. So today we're going to do, number 99, the Central City's Sparrow rum. Now, Central City is a very interesting distillery. They have some craft products, some commercial products. This one is made from molasses, aged 4 years in oak barrels. So you definitely gain like a very rum-forward sort of flavor profiling to this one. On the nose, super classic, funky, sort of funky Dunder, Appleton sort of nose. I'm not really sure because the thing with rum is very similar to Scotch whiskey, in my opinion, where it's a bit of a rabbit hole. You know, you go to country, each country's got its own style of rum in the Caribbean, then each distillery in that country has their own varied style of the country. So Jamaica rum is very different to Puerto Rican rum, and Puerto Rican rum is very different to Antigua rum. So you really have to delve in deep. Like, I used to be a big rum guy, but as of late, more gin and whiskey. So you have to be a really big delve into it because it's a rabbit hole. You can't pigeonhole any distillery in the Caribbean. So 4-year-old is really nice. On the nose, I'm really getting some really good, like, Jamaican sort of funk. Jamaican, is that a descriptor? On the palate, burnt sugar in the backbone. Like right in the back is burnt sugar. You're getting really clean, almost cachacery, Brazilian style rum, that very sugarcane pulp, rum agricole sort of Appleton Dunder sort of feel going to it. Almost like a rain on hot concrete. Really nice. Not too sweet, really dry actually. That 4 years of that barrel has really given this wonderful roundness, but dry in effect, like it just sucks everything off your palate. Super clean, funky, off sweet, chewy. That funk is just like sits in the back of your throat there with that burnt sugar. Fantastic little number. You don't see this very often on the island, so if you can find it, go pick it up. Great little example. Central City does some really great, wonderful things if you're out there. Lowen McKinnon, Queensborough, the Sparrow rum. So, BC Spirits, Spirit of Day number 99. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.